Mahatma Gandhi said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." One Village project connects artisans of Pondicherry and the Auroville Bioregion. There has been much foundational work done by the Maganum Cultural Centre to preserve the cultural practices of the region, but the village crafts are being diluted or totally lost due to lack of exposure, lack of business experience, and an inability to grow the units due to various socio-economic issues. With our rural ecotourism project, Maganum Cultural Centre wants to continue to consistently draw awareness to the heritage of the region and the local crafts, and thereby create a sustainable social enterprise where both the centre and the craftspeople benefit from the collaboration. This will ensure the centre is less reliant on donations, whilst supporting the very people in the villages who depend on the cultural centre for community support. The awareness and preservation of the traditional crafts of the region is not only for the benefit of the artisans, the villagers, and for Maganum itself, but also for foreigners and guests who have never experienced anything this deeply steeped in history, culture, and art. So we want to connect visitors to the villages by offering you the wonderful opportunity to come with us on a village tour where you will get a first-hand experience of watching the artisans as they demonstrate the ancient techniques of their timeless crafts. And once you have witnessed their authentic creativity, you will have the added experiential opportunity to engage in these different modalities for yourself by taking part in workshops held by the craftspeople themselves. This is a deeply sustainable collaboration that not only uplifts the village craftspeople through education and support of their livelihoods, but ensures the preservation and continuation of production of handicrafts that are threatened by new trends. Help us to holistically lay the foundations for growth in these villages by drawing on the resources we have within the community and enabling the creation of a sustainable community centre based on traditional crafts and traditional values. Let's join hands to create sustainable foundations and protect the livelihoods of those who will continue this legacy so worthy of preservation.